Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, Miss. Let me introduce myself. My name is Niki Fajar Habibi, NIT 0820018124, and I'm from the Triato Apple Beat. Tonight I will explain PMMC or Permanent Magnet Moving Coil. What is a permanent magnet moving coil? A permanent magnet moving coil is one such instrument which is popularly used on board and has several applications. By using permanent magnet moving coil instrument, we can measure voltage or current. PMMC is used for the measurement of direct current or voltage. This instrument works on principle of DC motor. According to his law, when current carrying conductor lies in magnetic field, then a force works current carrying conductor. PMMC construction: a coil of thin wire is mounted on an aluminum frame. Position between the pole of a U-shaped permanent magnet made of magnetic alloys such as alnico. The coil is pivoted on the jeweled bearing and is free to rotate. The current is fed to the coil through spiral springs, which are 2 in numbers. The coil current, which is to be measured, moves in a strong magnetic field produced by a permanent magnet, and a pointer is attached to the symbol to show the measured value. When a current-carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force and tends to move in the direction as per Fleming left-hand rule. Second Fleming left-hand rule: if the first and the second finger and the thumb of the left hand are held so that they are at a right angle to each other, then the thumb shows the direction of the force on the conductor. The first finger points towards the direction of the magnetic field, and the second finger shows the direction of the current in the wire. Application: the PMMC has a variety of use on board ships. For example, it can be used as first ammeter. When PMMC is used as an ammeter, except for a minimum current range, the moving coil is connected across a suitable low resistance so that only a small part of the main current flows through the coil. Second, voltmeter. When PMMC is used as a voltmeter, the coil is connected in series with high resistance. The rest of the function is the same as above. The same moving coil can be used as an ammeter or voltmeter to interchange the above arrangement. Third, galvanometer. The galvanometer is used to measure a small value of current along with its direction and strength. It is mainly used on board to detect and compare different circuits in a system. Fourth, ohm meter. The ohm meter is used to measure the resistance of the electric circuit by applying a voltage to resistance with the help of a battery. A galvanometer is used to determine the flow of current through the resistance. The galvanometer scale is marked in ohms and as the resistance varies since the voltage is fixed, the current through the meter will also vary. Advantage: low power consumption. Second, accurate and reliable. Third, uniform scale. Fourth, high torque to weight ratio. 5. High sensitivity. And last, simple and effective damping mechanism. Disadvantage: first, somewhat costlier as compared to moving iron instrument. Second, cannot be used for AC measurement. Third, very friction and temperature might introduce error as in case of the other instruments. And the last, some error are set in due to the again of control spring and the permanent magnet. Okay, that is my presentation about PMMC. Sorry if there is kesalahan, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.